Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Reasons why Bitcoin could surpass $30,000. BUTERIN shares his opinion of SKVM, new version of PancakeSwap. ARBITRUM dissolves its governance voting system. Bitcoin ATMs disappear. Metaverse could combat non-communicable diseases.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Reasons why Bitcoin could surpass $30,000. Bitcoin faces volatility as a decrease in oil production affects the weekly closing price of Bitcoin against the dollar. Despite this, the fundamentals of the Bitcoin network are about to reach new all-time highs, and inactive supply is also increasing. Analysts wonder whether oil prices will dictate market movements or whether Bitcoin will be able to surpass $30,000. The OPEC's decision to cut worldwide oil production is impacting macroeconomic conditions. Production will be reduced by a total of 1.65 million barrels per day, and the US dollar has strengthened, along with energy costs. The US dollar index, a headwind for risk assets including cryptocurrencies, was trading above 102.7 at the time of writing, up from April lows of 102.04. The price of WTI crude oil has risen by $3.60 due to the reduction in production in the Middle East and Asia. Alastair MacLeod, head of research at Gold Money, argued that governments would have to inject liquidity to compensate for any rise in energy prices, thus once again boosting the performance of risk assets. In turn, higher inflation would increase the chances of central banks continuing to raise interest rates despite the current banking crisis in the US and abroad. In the world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin initially fell but has since regained ground. BUTERIN shares his opinion of SKVM. BUTERIN shares his opinion on the incorporation of SKVM into the base layer of Ethereum to speed up the verification process on the blockchain. The technology allows Ethereum virtual machines to execute smart contracts on the blockchain with ZK proofs without compromising decentralization and security. It would be the third type of client on Ethereum, alongside the consensus client and the execution client. BUTERIN argues that scams would have to be open in the sense that different clients would have different implementations of SKVM, and each client would expect a proof compatible with its own implementation before accepting a block as valid. Additionally, Ethereum blocks would be smaller, making it easier to run a full Ethereum node on a laptop or even a phone. This SKVM ecosystem could cause data inefficiency and latency issues, but according to BUTERIN, they wouldn't be too difficult to overcome. New version of PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has launched version 3.0 of its DeFi platform, based on both BNB Chain and Ethereum, with performance improvements and lower fees. The upgrade allows liquidity providers to allocate capital at specific price intervals, which is expected to increase capital efficiency and provide more specific control over capital investments at higher volume trading ranges. Version 3.0 also introduces 4 new levels of trading fees: 0.01%, 0.05%, 0.25%, and 1%. Each token pair can have liquidity pools for each level, and asset pairs are expected to be placed at levels where incentives for liquidity providers and traders match. PancakeSwap is a popular DeFi platform with a wide user base and has over $2.5 billion in total value locked and more than 1.5 million unique users. The platform is also working on new features, such as a trading rewards program and a position manager function. ARBITRUM dissolves its governance voting system. ARBITRUM has dissolved its governance voting system following controversy within the community. The initial proposal AIP1, which gave the centralized company control over $1 billion in tokens, received a negative reaction from the community and was withdrawn. The move will split the governance package into smaller segments, and more context will be provided on how the funds from the Ecosystem Development Fund will be used. The new ARBITRUM improvement proposal will be released early this week. The price of ARB tokens has dropped 86% since its launch on March 23. Bitcoin ATMs disappear. More than 3,600 Bitcoin ATMs went offline in March, the highest number of disconnections in the history of these machines. Disconnections doubled in March compared to the first 2 months of the year. In total, 5,488 Bitcoin ATM machines have been deactivated in 2023, which contrasts with the continuous growth stage in 2020 and 2021. The United States, Canada, and Spain are the countries with the highest number of machines. Although it is not clear why the disconnections have been occurring, it is presumed to be one of the consequences of the bear market or the prospect of greater regulation in the sector. In addition, the installation of new machines has also decreased, especially for PANCAKESWAP and Genesis Coin. Metaverse could combat non-communicable diseases. According to research by the Advanced Institute of Science and Technology of Japan, the metaverse could combat non-communicable diseases. The metaverse is a virtual reality that allows people to interact through avatars. The research suggests that the metaverse could help create favorable environments for patients with non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, among others. The metaverse could be used to carry out medical interventions and to transport patients to different realities that can reduce stress. It could also allow the creation of parallel realities with healthier environments for patients. The research highlights the potential of the metaverse to improve the quality of life of millions of people worldwide.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.